best deals. In today's video, let's review some of the trending storage racks and shelves. This stylish organizer is perfect for a variety of spaces, including your home office, bedroom, living room, or kitchen. Say goodbye to cluttered surfaces and drawers with this well-organized solution. Easily find what you need, saving your time and frustration. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Modular drawer. Specially fabricated multi-purpose drawers for storage are designed for maximum storage capacity so you never run out of space. Special you can use as a shoe rack for storage and drawer organizer for clothes. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Foldable organizer. Constructed from high-quality, impact-resistant ABS plastic, this cabinet is built for long-lasting use, making it suitable for everything from kitchen supplies to baby storage. Lightweight and easy to fold, this plastic storage box can be transported effortlessly, making it suitable for frequent movers or temporary setups. Customize your storage by stacking multiple cabinets to suit your needs. Whether you require a single unit or several stacked layers, this cabinet can adapt to your storage requirements. Additional units can be added later to expand your storage capacity. Perfect as an almirah for kids, shelf for clothes, rack for books, kitchen cupboard, or living room, bedroom. This storage cabinet meets diverse storage needs without taking up much floor space. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Desk makeup organizers. Keeps items clean and free from dust with enclosed drawers. Ideal for bathrooms, vanity tables, desks, and offices. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Drawer. Made with strong, lightweight plastic, this modular drawer storage unit offers long-lasting durability, ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, or kids' rooms. This compact plastic drawer organizer fits seamlessly as a wardrobe plastic cabinet, cosmetic organizer shelf, or kitchen storage rack for home. It's perfect for every room's clutter-free look. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Storage box. Organizer features 39 transparent compartments, including 30 small compartments, 123 centimeters, and 9 large compartments, 123. The small and medium containers are equipped with removable dividers at the middle level, allowing for customizable space expansion by adjusting dividers. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Shoe rack. Introduces a 5.5 slim and space-saving metal shoe rack, MFG with high-quality 0.8 mm CRAC metal sheet designed for wall-mounting convenience in any living space inner and outer of your home. Engineered with 7 pre-tank treatments and coated with high-quality powder, ensuring exceptional durability and resistance to rust, maintaining its pristine appearance. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Stackable storage box. The plastic collapsible storage bins are made of durable and heavy-duty PP material, which is sturdy, odorless, and durable. Magnetic locks tend to be more durable and require less maintenance than mechanical locks. Stack them together in a flash when you need them in the organization. Movable wheels are attached to the bottom of objects or equipment to enable easy movement across floors or surfaces. You can assemble the storage bins in a very simple way within 30 seconds. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Storage box. Ideal for closets, under-bed storage, and utility rooms. Features a secure snap lock lid that keeps contents safe from moisture and dirt. Sturdy built-in handles offer easy portability. Transparent design allows quick identification of stored items. Perfect for maximizing any space. The gracious smart recessed lid is constructed to ensure stability. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Storage box. Stackable with fitted notches in the lids and with smooth corners, this box also features latch handles for easy and secure mobility. It provides covered storage to safeguard items from dust and dirt. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Stackable storage bin. With even more strength and durability, this set of portable storage boxes employs both PP and ABS plastic, allowing them to bear an overall load of 30 kg, single box 10 kg. With a sleek, understated look and quality design, you are sure to love these plastic organizers. Slide this storage bin wherever you need to with the 4 all-round rollers on the bottom, 2 of which can be locked to hold it in place. The foldable storage box is a versatile storage bin stackable that can be used as stackable toy bins, studying essentials, closet organizer. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Under sink cabinet. Featuring 3 spacious drawers and a flat top surface, this cart provides ample storage for a variety of household items. Store anything from office supplies, toys, and cleaning products in the drawers, and use the top shelf to display decorative items, magazines, or additional storage bins. This stylish organizer is perfect for a variety of spaces, including your home office, bedroom, living room, or kitchen. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Drawer. Made from virgin polymer that promises quality, durability and strength. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Storage box. Equipped with wheels, the storage box can be easily moved around as needed. Made of sturdy plastic, it is built to withstand regular use and storage needs. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Modular drawer. The push-pull basket storage box is suitable for kitchen, office, bathroom, living room, bedroom and other places where small objects are stored. Create more space in any open space such as cabinets, storage closets. The installation of these plastic drawer cases is very simple without tools, and it is easy to put them together. Simple and generous, perfect design style, very versatile. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Modular cupboard. Make your storage space look beautiful with this attractive cupboard. Store your child's toys or books or even your clothes. This large cupboard has a huge storage space that comes from its towering structure. Attractive and stylish, it adds a touch of color to your wall area. It comes with 2 drawers and ample storage space within to store in all essentials. Assembly required. The product requires basic assembly and comes with assembly instructions. Elegant, versatile and durable plastic molded storage cabinet. It's wooden style cabinet with lock. It can be easily assembled and disassembled. It is compact, strong and sturdy. Multipurpose storage solution. The cupboard comes with adjustable shelves to accommodate maximum things and adjust them according to their size and shape. These cupboards are provided with a tight security mechanism and it is capable of preventing theft or limiting access to its contents, giving you peace of mind. Made of tough plastic, the cupboard is very strong and sturdy. It can withstand a considerable amount of weight and is quite a durable storage space. It can be used to store your children's toys, books or even your clothes within its storage cabinet. A multi-purpose cabinet that also looks great when kept in a room. Sturdy and durable, this cupboard is made of strong plastic material which requires least maintenance and gives 100% efficiency. Highest quality of plastic is used in our products with rigorous safety tests, rigorously tested for safety and high load bearing capacity. Follow a few simple steps provided with the package to assemble and enjoy your product. Equipped with multiple easy to clean and adjustable shelves for versatile storage options. Lightweight double door cabinet crafted from premium plastic for durability. Designed for quick and hassle-free assembly with a resilient knockdown build. Includes a sturdy door lock and tower bolt for built-in safety. Effectively resists corrosion and termites, ensuring long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 15th link.